Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene is there, you have cyclic ring with nitrogen and you have chlorine and 2 methyl groups. Here you are using N-bromosuccinimide 2 equivalent and peroxide and heating it up. Second step, you are using aqueous NaOH which is base. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you are using N-bromosuccinimide. N-bromosuccinimide is a basically radical producing agent in presence of peroxide. So radical bromine is formed. Here there are many possibilities, but bromine in the side chain form very stable benzyl radical. So benzyl radical initially formed, then bromine combined. So bromine is on side chain. Then you are using aqueous NaOH. So it converts bromine into OH there. Then the internalization to happen. You have ring closure. The ring closure is favorable because cyclic compound is more stable than linear one. Here you may ask the question why there is no di-OH substitution, dibromine to di-OH, because the rate of intramolecular is greater than intermolecular. Inside OH is readily available. It attacks, it forms the final product. Here the concept you have to learn here is N-bromosuccinimide in peroxide. It produces radical bromine agent. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.